Before we start, may I ask Chelsea to lead the prayer? Good morning, class. You may now take your seats. And is everybody present? Very good. And what are we going to do if someone is talking in front? Shan? Excellent. Keep quiet and listen. And how about when you want to speak? Very good, Joy. Raise your hand and wait to be called. By the way, do you have an assignment? And class, can you please submit your assignment in front in a count of 5? All papers must be in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Time's up. Class, the topic that we discussed last time is about, who can recall? Okay, Joy? Okay, very good. Our topic last meeting was all about addition. And what do you mean by addition? Thea? Very good, Thea. So before we go to our lesson, I prepared a game entitled Hep Hep Hooray, Types of Angles version. And the mechanics of the game, the teacher point out one student at a time to act the kind of angles, the right, acute, and obtuse angle. And the teacher says, failure to do the act will result to elimination. And game ends when only one student remains undefeated. After we do the game, do you have any guess of what lesson I'll be going to talk about this morning? Okay, let's see later if your guess is right. And our objectives, at the end of the lesson, students are expected to identify acute, obtuse, and right angles in the real world, and create acute, obtuse, and right angles, and build and draw right, acute, and obtuse angles. Before we proceed to our topic class, I have activity, the different types of angles. Name what type of angles. I will call random students to answer this activity. The first angle, the second angle, and the third angle. So this morning, our lesson was all about types of angles. In geometry, there are various types of angles based on measurement. The names of basic angles are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. An angle is geometrical shape formed by joining two rays at their endpoints. An angle is measured in degrees, and there are various types of angles in geometry. Angles for the core part of geometry in mathematics. They are the fundamental that eventually lead to information of the more complex geometrical figures and shapes. And for our group activity, I will put you into groups and I will give one of the following terms on a card: the right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. You may then use various formats from drawing to the use of your own body to showcase the term you were given. You should take pictures and then create collage with PhotoGrid. Other students may then view the collage to figure out what term the group was trying to showcase. Based on the activity you have done, what did you learn today? Anyone? Okay, Joy? Very good, Joy. And for our application, are you ready for the activity class? I have printable worksheets here and I will give you 20 minutes to answer the activity. After that, pass your paper in front. Class, a while ago we discussed about the types of angles. You must go outside and able to describe and illustrate the angle in structures they see outside the classroom. And for our evaluation, I have toothpicks here and make the angles with toothpicks. Glue them on the paper and label them. I will give you 20 minutes to build the activity. 20 minutes is done. Pass all your papers in front. And for our assignment, find 5 objects in your home that have types of angles in them and take a picture and print it out in a long bond paper. Do you understand?